What is good, my bro to G's? Today's video is going to be on how to commit tax fraud. Iris, please don't kidnap my family, bro. Today's video is going to be on how to deal with overtrading. Even experienced traders still face this on the daily. This doesn't go away. Like, no matter how far, I believe, in your trading journey you are, at least in some point, in some amount of time, you'll get better at this and not do it as much, but you are still prone to doing this even down the line. The bullet point is, recognize, yo, I'm dyslexic, bro, your triggers. So recognizing your triggers is probably the one of the most important steps to this, because if you don't even know why you're over trading, that is a problem. You're gonna keep going to the markets every single day thinking you're doing a right job and thinking you're doing everything correctly, and you're gonna be like, wow, why am I not profitable? Why am I not making any money? Why am I losing every single trade, right? Your triggers can be like, it can be like, what the shit? This could be like FOMO. This could be like either due to FOMO. It could be due to revenge trading, pure boredom. Like, you just want to be in the markets and just lose your money, I guess. Did I just spell that wrong too? You'd be purely bored and just wanting to just lose your money, I guess. But the first step is actually recognizing why the hell you're doing it in the first place, right? Second step, setting a max trade rule for yourself, bro. Like, I literally have a one trade rule a day, and even if I take a loss or even if I take a win, I will hop off. That's just what I set for myself. Everybody is different. Some people do it in the AM, 1 in the AM and then 1 PM. Some people do 2 trades max in the AM. If they don't catch the first one, maybe they could catch the second, or if their trade, or maybe they had a bad entry so they re-enter. It just depends on you, to be honest. But you have to set it for yourself and just stick with it, bro. Next one, take a break, bro. People will just not take a break after they trade. Like, you will keep continuously looking at the markets for like prolonged hours just to find your ideal entry. Like, bro, the entire point of trading is to get you away from doing a 9 to 5. If you're treating this like a 9 to 5 and staring at that shit, what is the difference? If you're looking at the charts from 9 to 4, what makes this any different from being in a regular 9 to 5, bro? Tell me. Like, people literally like glue themselves to their screen like this, trying to find their entry in the span of that 8 hours. Like, bro, are you kidding? Like, are you serious, bro? Like, what is actually wrong with you? You need like clinical help, bro. But yeah, that's number 3. Number 4 is reviewing your mistakes and looking back at errors. This goes for anything in life. If you don't look back and see what you're doing wrong, you're never gonna grow. This could be either in the form of taking a screenshot or recording a video or even taking a picture on your phone, and then you could look back at it and you're gonna say, wow, why did I even do that? Or what business do I have taking 20 trades in AM session? I have even trading this market session when I know I'm better at this one. It's like getting a test paper back, looking through all your answers and be like, what the hell was I thinking putting that down? This helps so much. Like, I promise you, just look back at it and you're gonna recognize your problems very fast. Number 5 is literally accepting that it's still a work in progress. When you accept that it's a learning process, you're gonna stop beating yourself up. This is literally the same thing as going to the gym. It's all about reps. You don't go into the gym one day and magically get jacked, bro. That's not how it works. Unless you got like Genie helping you or some shit. But like, bro, you have to do it over and over and over and be consistent to even see a little bit of progress. That's like with anything in life, right? Bro, what I used to do, I used to literally put my phone in another room. I used to go upstairs and just put it in the kitchen or like next to my mom, or like tell my mom to take it with her when she went grocery shopping. So I literally physically could not even place a trade or even click the button. Like, this will literally force you to put that shit down, bro. Because if it's in your room, just like this is just like waking up in the morning and the first thing you grab is your phone. This can work as well. Like, literally, this works for so many things outside of trading. But like, if I did have my phone on me for that day, I would literally delete TradingView and whatever brokers I even had. Like, this forced me, when I looked at my phone, like, I didn't even have an option to do anything after I just placed a bad trade, or even when I placed a trade. You know how you go to the search bar, go down from the home menu, and that's just automatically right there because it's one of your recents? Like, that's just muscle memory to me to just open that shit. So when I didn't have it, I had like that post-nut clarity, like, bro, what the hell? But yeah, these are like the last resorts. These ones you have to work on first. This is literally one of the leading factors on why people don't even see an ounce of motion in their accounts, you know what I'm saying? This is literally a lecture for myself. I'm still growing too, and I'm still learning. This is what I've learned so far, and yeah.